Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 7i and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So firstly, make sure that you've got the internet connection. The best option to choose is to connect with the internet using the Wi-Fi, and then let's enter the Play Store. Now let's tap on this three bars icon in the left upper corner and enter my apps and games. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of all updates pending, and you can update all of those apps just by tapping on this green button, Update All. But obviously you can update only one of it or two of them. So all you have to do is simply find them in the list and tap on Update right next to it. As you can see, it immediately disappears, but it appears at the very top of the list, and right now it is downloading. After that, it will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So actually that's all. This is how to update apps in your Realme 7i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.